begin the Response to Literature series, I'm going to model, sentence by sentence, a finished body paragraph. The purpose of this first segment is for you to understand the terminology and the color coding of the Jane Schaffer writing program. Remember, an essential component of students being successful is for teachers and students to use a common terminology for the paragraph and essay. When departments and grade levels use the same terminology vertically and horizontally, students progress at a much more rapid pace. Once you understand the terminology and the color coding, I'm going to take you through the process of how we created each sentence. In your guide, you're going to copy a model body paragraph, taking notes along the way about each element of an academic body paragraph, as well as the JSWP terminology and the colors associated with those elements. This portion of the series is the I do modeling of the gradual release methodology.